Welcome to Newport Coast, where the ocean meets luxury and the possibilities are endless. Living here means waking up in a place that feels like a permanent vacation. This is more than just a location, it's a wave of life. A place where time slows down, where beauty surrounds you, and where every moment is an opportunity to experience something extraordinary. I am beyond excited today because you got a special invitation. Today I'm taking you inside to see one-of-a-kind property where luxury meets lifestyle. From sipping morning coffee to viewing incredible views, you will see what makes this property so special and why it might be just your dream home. And now, let's begin! Welcome to Pelican Crest Estate. As you drive up, tall palm trees and a beautiful stone driveway welcome you. The grand front door opens into a stunning entry hall with the high ceilings and marble floors that shine in the sunlight. This space sets the tone for what's to come: elegancy, comfort, and breathtaking ocean views. Step into the living room. At the first things you have noticed is the ocean views. A large glass door slide open, making the Pacific Ocean feels like a part of the home. Sunsets here are magical. Filling the space with the golden light, a fireplace adds warmth, making this perfect place to unwind with family and friends. Beauty and function combined in this kitchen is designed for both style and function. A large island with the marble countertops offers plenty of space for cooking and gathering. High-ended appliances make meal prep easy, and the dining area surrounded by windows ensure every meal comes with the stunning ocean views. A quiet escape to the left behind wooden doors is a cozy library. Dark shelves and warm fireplace create the perfect space to relax with a book or enjoy a quiet moment. The large windows let in natural light, making this room feel peaceful and inviting. A private retreat upstairs, the primary suite is a personal sanctuary. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in endless ocean views, and a private balcony offers a peaceful spot to watch the waves. A cozy fireplace adds warmth, making this perfect place to relax after a long day. A spa-like primary bathroom is designed to feel like a luxurious spa. A large window soaking tub offering breathtaking views while you unwind. Marble countertops, a spacious shower, and elegant lighting complete this calming space. The best seat in the house outside is the backyard, is nothing short of spectacular. The infinity pool blends with the horizon, making feel like you're swimming in the ocean. Lounge chairs invite you to soak up in the sun, while a cozy fire pit is the perfect spot for evening gatherings. Every room is designed for comfort, beauty, and unforgettable moments. Isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. And again, if you can see yourself living here, let's make it happen. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more incredible homes. See you next time.